Today, you're going to see people who come from your struggle and who become heroes on the world stage. The basic ideas, the basic laws, the unbreakable laws that they live by, they're going to share with you. They're not going to be different from what your parents told you, but they're going to be people that you know that look like you, that come from where you come from, that made it.
You look at the statistics, you look at how many black Americans are locked up, you look how many Latino brothers and sisters are locked up. So I realize this music is our way out, and it comes from the street. And this is a first-time generation type of thing happening in my family. In my family, there are no millionaires. There was nobody rich in my family, so this rap music helped me out and helped me help my family and try to keep them out of the jail system.
You know, I started in this game at the bottom. I really had nothing to look forward to. And somehow I got focused, and now I'm here. All I know is the hustle. I know I go out every day, I wake up every morning, I go hard. I refuse for anybody to tell me no. Like he said, persistence break down resistance. Know if you want it that bad, it's gonna happen. Know that it's not gonna happen overnight, but that's what they call sacrifice. And as far as being an entertainer in the entertainment business, you don't always have to be the rapper. Education is always needed because there's nobody on this panel right here that can't sign a contract if they lawyer ain't on point. So, you know, you can become a lawyer and get a big percentage of everybody's check up here and make a lot of money.
You'll never see me doing that crazy stuff because I'm a businessman. Listen, I wanted to be a rapper too, but I realized at a very young age. I'm sitting at a concert, I said, damn, it's 8,000 people. Multiply that times $33 a ticket, somebody got paid tonight. I learned that you have to really understand there's a business of music. All of us love music. Right. But really get into the business of music or the business of basketball. We can all do business, whether it's technology, whether it's music. Just learn. I love the business of music.
I'd like to let y'all know that we are our greatest resource. We are our greatest resource. It's what we got. You know what I mean? They digging down in the ground to get that oil because that oil is a resource. They make us dig in the ground to get that gold and that diamond because that's a resource. We are a resource. Create that resource for us and let's use it so we can be rich.
I reap all the benefits of all the artists on major labels. I do paid shows, I travel the world and all that. So be independent upon yourself. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do.
All right.
If you have an artist, you can break your own artists and sell your own records over the internet. It's global. We have to stop thinking United States of America and think global.
Hard work, dedication, sacrifice, you know, your work ethic gotta be positive, always keep the hustle in mind. I always tell people in this industry, they make you famous before you make you rich, and in the hood, they'll get you high before you feed you, so try to get your money in.
The wealthiest place on earth, is the graveyard. Because there's so many people in the graveyard that never lived their dreams, that never opened their businesses, that never went after what it was inside of them that they really wanted to go after. Don't be one of those people. Don't let your dreams die with you. Build your legacy and leave your legacy on earth and get all of the dreams that are inside of you, dig way deep down in your soul and get every dream that's inside of you out before it's over.
Tell anybody, no matter what you want to do in life, no matter what industry or what entity of business that you want to get into, be hot and work hard. You know what I'm saying? And you get out of it what you put into it. And always know, man, to prepare for your success, because when it happens, you want to be ready for it. And with great reward comes great responsibility.
So I say to the future rappers out there, and I know it's a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's up to y'all to take it on when we pass the torch and do the right thing. Once you get in position, world is yours.